Good afternoon, students. Welcome back. In maths class 7th, we were discussing about the decimals, and today we'll talk about the division of decimal fractions. How we can divide the decimal fractions of different kind. As first is division of a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. If we have to divide a decimal with 10, 100 or 1000, then how we have to divide it? When we divide a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000, the decimal point shifts to its left as many places as the number of zeros in the divisor after 1. As when we were multiplying, then decimal was shifted to the right place, right to the number, but here when division will be there, then decimal will be shifted to left of the number. How many places it will be? As a number of zeros with 1 in the divisor. divisor में जितनी number of zeros होंगी 1 के साथ उतने digits shift होगा decimal left side. For example, 593 divide it with 10. As going to divide with 10, here divisor is 10 and how many zeros are there with 1? 1. This means the decimal will be shifted to the left. How many places? 1 place only. So as 593 was there and decimal will be shifted here 59.3. So final answer will be 59.3. Similarly, next if 63.5 divide it with 10. So here it will be decimal will be shifted 1 place left to the number. So left side it will be as 6.35. Next is 0.5 divided with 10. So it will be 0.05. As here was nothing, then we can just insert 0 from our own side. So here will be 0.05. So next is 9.59 divided with 100. As we have to divide it with 100, then in divisor how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there after 1. So decimal will be shifted to the left. How many places? 2 places. As here you can see only one digit is there, then there is need to insert 0 from your own side. So answer will be 0.0959. So as next is 1434.9 divided with 1000. 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there in the divisor with 1. So decimal will be shifted 3 places left to the number. So decimal was here and 3 places 1, 2, 3. This means decimal will comes after 1. So answer will be 1.4349. As division of the decimal by whole number. How we have to divide a decimal by whole number? So here the decimal will be only in the dividend and divisor will be a whole number. So directly we can just go for the division as 100.32 divided with 80. So read out the table of 80. 80 ones are 80. 80 will be below 100. 100 minus 80 it will be 20. Then next decimal comes. Whenever decimal comes, then you have to just insert the decimal in the quotient as well. So 1 point, right? Decimal will be in the quotient, and 20 after that just bring the next number down, that is 3. It becomes 203. 80 2s are 160, which is less than 203. 203 minus 160, it is 43. Bring the next number down, that is 2. And 85s are 400. So 430 minus 400, it becomes 32. Now we can insert 0 from own side. Already decimal is there, then we can just go for the applying 1 0 more here. It will be 320. 84s are 320. It is properly divisible. So answer which is here, that is 1.254. So quotient is 1.254. Similarly, we will solve one more question, that is 2.05 with 50. So first 2, then decimal is there. First you read out the table of 50. So here is 2 only whole number. So 50 will not goes on 1, it will goes on 0. 50 multiply 0, it will be 0. So remainder is 2. Bring the next number down, 0. Decimal has appeared, so then we have to apply decimal in the quotient as well. So quotient में आपके साथ क्या आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 0 के साथ आएगा decimal. Then next 20 minus 20 has come downside and 50. Read out the table of 50. 50 again, 20 is less than 50. So it will goes on 0 again. So here will be 0. 20 minus 0, 20 left. Now bring the next number down, 5. 50 fours are 200 and 5 is remainder. Now insert 1 0 more from your own side so that it should be properly divisible. So 50 ones are 50 and final answer, that is remainder, is 0 here and quotient is 0.041. So next is division of the decimal by a decimal number. If we have to divide the decimal by decimal number, means to say dividend is also decimal number and as well as divisor also decimal number. So here we have to just go for 0.765, divide it with 1.5. So first method, that is just shift the decimal in the dividend as how many places in the divisor. जितनी places divisor में है डेसिमल प्लेसेस, उतने प्लेसेस डेसिमल को आगे शिफ्ट करना है, राइट साइड पे शिफ्ट करना है, किसमें, डिविडेंड में, राइट. और अनदर मेथड इज दैट जस्ट रिमूव द डेसिमल एंड देन गो फॉर सॉल्विंग इट. as 765 divided with 1000, decimal I have removed here, then here will be 1000. Same as division 1.5, अगर decimal remove करोगे क्या आएगा, 15/10. So here division will be changed into multiplication and the number will be reciprocal. So 765 over 1000 multiply 10/15. 1 0 can be cancelled out with 0. So final answer which is left, that is 7.65. 2 zeros थी, 765 के नीचे 100 था, तो आंसर आ गया 7.65 divided with 15. So as the decimal is shifted one place ahead as from the number of divisors. So after that go for the division will be 7.65 divided with 15. As 7 is less than 15, so it will goes on 0. First of all it will goes on 0 and 7 minus 0 it will be 7. Then bring the next number down, 6. Decimal has appeared, then we have to insert decimal in the quotient as well. So 76 here, 15 5s are 75, 1 is remainder, and bring the next number down, that is 5. Here become 15, so 15 ones are 15, properly divisible, remainder 0. So answer is 0.51. Next is 0.666, divide it 1.11. So here first of all remove the decimal. 660, 6 over 1000, division 111/10. So 660 over 1000, division will be changed into multiplication. Same method we have to apply if in both divisor and dividend both having a decimal parts. So then 10 by 111, 0 can be cancelled out, which is left 6.66 divided with the 111. As when we'll just go for division of this, 6 is smaller than 111, so it firstly it will goes on 0. So 6 minus 0, 6. Bring the next number down. As in the decimal has come, then we have to insert decimal in the quotient as well. So 66 again it is less than divisor, so it will goes on 0. So in quotient 0 will be there. 66. Bring the next number down, that is 6. It becomes 666. So now 111 6 ja 666. Remainder is 0 and quotient is 0.06. As next is find quotient. 0.0102, divide it with 17. So 17 is divisor, dividend is 0.0102. So firstly 0, as 0 is less than 17 it will goes on 0. Again bring the next number 0 downside. Here decimal appeared, then we have to apply decimal in the quotient as well. So 0 minus 0 again 0. Bring the next number down, that is 1. 1 is also again less than 17, so it is going on 0 again. So 1 minus 0 1. Bring the next number down, that is 0. So it will become 10. 10 जो है 10 is also again smaller than 17, so it will again goes on 0. So here is 102. Next number when you will bring it downside, then it becomes 102. 17 6 is 102. It is proper divisible. Now remainder is 0 and quotient is 0.0006. Next is 0.84 divided with 12. Similarly 0.84 divided with 12, 12 is as a divisor. So 12, firstly it will goes on 0 because 0 is smaller than 12. So 12 multiply with 0, it will be 0. Bring the next number down, that is 8. Here decimal has appeared, then put decimal in the quotient as well. 8 is again smaller than 12, it will goes on 0. So 12 multiply 0, it will be 0. Bring the next number down, that is 4. So number becomes 84. 17, 12 sevens are 84, exactly divisible, so remainder is 0 and quotient is 0.07.